10 Best PC for 2022. Gaming industry is expanding day by day, and for best gaming experience you need a good PC. In this video we will show you top 10 PC that are best for gaming and will make your gaming experience more fun. So let's get into the video. Number 10. iBuyPower Desktop Revolt 29330. iBuyPower Desktop Revolt 29330 is the most admirable and affordable gaming rig 2022. The Revolt 29330 has the companionship of one of the most demanding processors, the Intel i5-10600KF, which has a liquid cooling system and delivers a processing speed of 4.1 GHz. It also comes with the NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1660 Super graphics card, and 6 GB memory is added to it for better graphics processing. It has a 8 GB DDR4 RAM. It has a price of $949.99. Number 9. ACER Predator Orion 3000. The Orion 3000 is Acer's refresh of their beastly Orion gaming desktops. It has a 9th Gen Intel Core i7 9700K processor with NVIDIA GeForce RTX 2080, 8 GB graphic card providing a smooth and HD gaming experience. It has 16 GB DDR4 RAM allowing it to multitask. It's got 4 USB 3.2 Gen 2 ports and 2 USB 2.0 ports. There are several different Orion 3000 models available if the £1,299 version doesn't suit. In the UK, a £999 version combines a GTX 1660 Super graphics core, and a £1,599 model deploys the Core i7-10700 alongside an RTX 2070 Super GPU. Number 8. New Dell G5. Here comes the Dell G5, the best affordable gaming PC for those who are on a tight budget and need a powerful build. It has a 10th generation Intel Core i7-10700F processor with 4.8 GHz processing speed. Also NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1660 Super 6 GB GDDR graphic card is always there for you when you switch the gaming settings to high. It has a 16 GB DDR4 RAM. The price of new Dell G5 is $1,301.28. Number 7. CyberPower PC Gamer Supreme. CyberPower PC Gamer Supreme is one of those rigs that everyone admires. The CyberPower PC Gamer Supreme has the AMD Ryzen 7 3800X with a processing speed of 3.9 GHz. On the other hand, the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3060 with the 12 GB memory shows no mercy for the graphics complex games. It has a 16 GB DDR4 for smooth gaming experience. Due to power cooling system it remains cool during heavy activities. It has a price of $1,719. Number 6. Skytech Chronos. Skytech Chronos is another pre-built gaming PC that has a lot of lightning-fast hardware components in store for you. It has AMD Ryzen 7 3700X 8-core processor with processing speed of 4.4 GHz. Also have a NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3070, 8 GB GDDR6 graphic card that can bear any sort of graphics load without any hesitation. It has 16 GB DDR4 RAM and supports 4K gaming. It has a price of $1,949.99. If you are finding this video informative, make sure to like the video and watch till the end. Number 5. Zotac Gaming MEK Ultra. Zotac Gaming MEK Ultra is one of the best pre-built gaming PC, having an Intel Core i7 9708 core processor with processing speed of 4.7 GHz and have a NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3070, 8 GB GDDR6 graphic card for high-quality mainstream gaming experience. Also it has 16 GB DDR4 RAM that makes it work smoothly. It has a price of $2,000, so if you're looking for the best gaming PC under $2,000, You must have the Zotac Gaming MEK Ultra. Number 4. Dell Alienware Aurora R11. Like many other brands, Dell has also introduced their Alienware Aurora R11 PC for gaming. It has AMD Ryzen 9 3900 processors with the 3.1 GHz speed and have a AMD Radeon RX 5700 XT, 8GB GDDR6 graphic card for a high-quality gaming experience. Also, it has a 32GB dual-channel HyperX Fury DDR4 XMP RAM, due to which it can handle multitasking. Also, it have the 1TB SSD. It has a price of $2,500. Number 3. Alienware Aurora R11. The exceptional performance of the Alienware Aurora R11 has always been the worst nightmare for the heavy graphics titles out there. It has a 10th generation Intel Core i7-10700KF processor with 3.8 GHz processing speed. Having NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3080 graphic card makes it to never compromises on anything and runs all games butter smooth. 16GB RAM is installed on this, allows it to cope with multitasking like a pro. With exceptional features comes an exceptional price. The price of Alienware Aurora R11 is $3,799.99. Number 2. Skytech Prism 2. Here comes the Skytech Prism 2, an expensive gaming PC yet worth the price. It has a AMD Ryzen 7 5800X8 core processor with processing speed of 4.7 GHz and having a NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3090 graphic card to cope with the graphics complex games in high settings. It has a 32GB 3600 Trident Z Neo RGB RAM with RGB lighting and have a liquid cooling system installed for no heat. The price of Skytech Prism 2 is $4,199.99. Number 1. HP OMEN GT13 0090. HP OMEN GT13 0090 is the most powerful and lightning-fast gaming PC than most of the gaming desktops. It has a 10th generation Intel Core i9-10850K processor that will give you a smooth gaming experience. It has a CPU speed of 5.1 GHz. Also, it has NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3090 24GB GDDR6X graphic card that means you can have an HD gaming experience. It has a 32GB RAM which can easily handle heavy tasks. From Assassin's Creed Valhalla to Devil May Cry 5 to GTA V, the OMEN GT13 0090 can run all games in high settings without any lag or deformity. Also, it never heat up because of the convenient cooling system. If we look at the price of this beast, then it might be a little costly. The price of this amazing PC is $4,199. So viewers, if you liked the video, make sure to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notifications to get latest updates from the channel. Also, let us know what you think about this video in the comments section.